fucking shit!
Oh, there they are. Look at these gorgeous sons of bitches. Oh, yeah, that's right, Bedlam.
No! Shrimping motherfucking Billies! Shatterstar. Okay, you got this. Left! Left!
You'd have to be insane to take off in this.
No! Stage left, you idiot! Oh! Oh!
Well, I guess we found something you're not better at.
Vanisher!
Maybe the wind can't blow what it can't see.
Really? All right, we can do this with 4.
Sugar Bear, you got this, buddy! That's the stuff! That's the X-Force spirit! Never underestimate a man with a mustache. Just ask anyone in Brooklyn. You're a goddamn superhero, you!
X-Force!
X-Force.
Oh!
Peter.
I got you, buddy. I'm good, man. You're gonna be fine.
You got this, big guy. Here we go, Peter.
Look at me. We're X-Force, right? We're X-Force. We're X-Force, right?
Oh my God, what the fuck? Fucking acidic vomit. Oh, God. I'm gonna throw up in my mask.
Okay, I'm over the convoy. Where did the rest of the team land?
Good news and bad news. Bad news is the whole team is dead. The good news is I don't think anyone's gonna miss Shatterstar. He was a bit of a prick.